So this is Euro Pound analysis for Tuesday the 10th of July. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices test the 88.20, held support, from which we did see a break of the 88.51. Very strong move here to the upside, breaking above the 88.74. We came in towards this 89, didn't quite get towards this key level previously identified in around 89.14. Instead we came in towards this 89, from which we did see sell side momentum take us beyond the 88.74. We've had a retest of 88.74. It has held as a resistance, and from which we have seen sell side momentum take us through 88.51. We didn't quite get down towards this 88.20. What we did instead see now more recently is a test of the 88.51, which we appear to be rejecting. So prices do seem poised for a test of the 88.20. In around 88.20, we do have that confluence of the 400 period moving average. Depending on how long prices take to get there, we could be acting as an area of confluence. And due to the fact that we have a dynamic level of potential support as well as a horizontal level, that increases the likelihood of seeing a possible bullish bounce in around that 88.20. Failure to do that, however, we're looking for price head down towards that 88, 87, 83. And if we do have volatility to bring us beyond the 87.83, we're looking for a move down towards that 87.50 here on the Euro Pound. Similar to if we do find support there in around a confluence and we do see a break above the 88.51, looking for a move up towards that 88.74, successful break from which, again, 89, our most recent high, would be a target. But if we do break beyond there, the very key important level of 89.14 should possibly come into focus here on the Euro Pound. What we'll do now, we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart and see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart of the euro against the pound, we can see here, more recently we had this trend here to the upside, but we've encountered quite a bit of resistance as we've got towards that slightly above, let's see where we are. So as we've come in towards this 88.74, we have traded above it on a couple of occasions, made new highs more recently, but we've not been able to close above it from a daily chart perspective, and we've seen quite a bit of sell side momentum in around that above that 88.74. So we did have a pretty strong close, pretty close was at 88.74, but we have seen that follow through to downside here today. So if we can break back above and close above the 88.51, we were then looking for prices to potentially head up towards 89.14, which has proven itself to be a very key important resistance level, which we have seen a resistance enter the market from a couple of months ago. We have seen quite a bit of sell side momentum in around 89.14. So after the first probing test, we've had a rejection. So we'll see if we do have another probing test and a possible rejection or break. If we have see this sell side momentum continue that has followed through from yesterday, we are looking for prices possibly to come down towards that from a daily chart perspective. The very next low of note is, of course, in and around this area here, which we've encountered some support in around that 87.26. That does appear to be the very next level of note here on the euro against a pound, if we do see that sell side momentum follow through. But we also have to remember on the daily chart, we do have the 200 period moving average sitting in around at 88.20. So again, increase the likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.